Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and I'm actually on my way to downtown Los Angeles. I got a special invitation from the Consulate General Republic of Korea to attend Voices of Unity. This is going to be a really beautiful event. There's going to be some of the best singers in all of the world gathering together to sing in unity with one another. Let me tell you about these two groups. The first is this group from Busan, but it's a city most south in South Korea. It's actually a town where now it's a very big city where my father grew up, that they're joining with because it's called Voices of Unity is the United States Los Angeles Master Chorale, some of the best singers of the United States. So they're bringing the voices together. There's going to be a portion where the group from Busan will be singing a variety of songs, a set of songs, and then there's going to be a set of songs that the Master Chorale in Los Angeles will be singing, and then there'll be a portion where they're actually singing together. Once again, the Voices in Unity. And so as I share about Voices of Unity, what exactly are we celebrating? This year, 2023, marks the unification, or the unity, the alliance between Korea and the United States of America. One of the places we can be proud of, and once again, it's not perfect, but one place that we can be proud of is Korea. Look at Korea's story, their democracy story, their economic development. So much good has happened out of a time of great sacrifice, and also the alliance for 70 years. So we're on their way driving there. First thing we're going to do, of course, we're going to LA. This is a Friday. We're going to stop by a place that my friend Jay Kim, he's recording right now. Thank you, Jay.
No problem.
We're going to be having kanjang kejang. Comes in a bowl, and they give you the rice, and then you have the egg, you have the crabs, and I hope the crabs also have the roe. I'm looking forward to that. First, we're going to eat there first. That's our goal. And then second, then we're going to go to the concert. So we've arrived at the Walt Disney Concert Hall, and I'm really excited for tonight's concert, which is once again celebrating the 70 years anniversary of the alliance between the Republic of Korea and the United States of America. And it will be done through the Unity of Voices concert, showcasing the concert to musicians from Busan, as well as from the LA Masters Chorale. It'll be a beautiful unity of voices. This is a welcome from Consul General Kim Yong-hwan. I warmly welcome you to the Voices of Unity concert, commemorating the 70th anniversary of the Republic of Korea-US Alliance. Through this performance, I would like to celebrate the achievements of the alliance thus far and extend my best wishes as we leap into the next 70 years together. Building upon the foundation established after the Korean War, the ROK in the United States has expanded their cooperation in various areas, including security, economy, technology, and culture. Now we are further deepening and expanding our collaboration on a global scale. Also, taking this opportunity, I would like to congratulate the Korean American community on the 120th anniversary of Korean immigration to the US. As the largest Korean community outside of Korea, you have played a vital role in fostering the friendship between our nations. There's a special Voices of Unity photo display here that is a wonderful timeline of history of Korea and the alliance between Korea and the United States. It begins with the turmoil of what was happening in Korea at the end of the Korean War, the refugees, the despair, the partnership with the United States of America, first with the great bravery and partnership with the military, but then later on with all kinds of medical, educational aid. And then it concludes today with Korea being an economic powerhouse, with many corporations today thriving in a democracy, thriving under capitalism, partially because of the partnership, because of the United States and the resilience of the Korean people. What an amazing story of economic development and democracy. And then of course, Korea taking the time to really honor their partnership with the United States through the honoring of various war heroes, as well as our nation. What an amazing evening tonight. So I had a chance to hear so many different musical pieces from the Busan Choir, as well as the LA Master Chorale as well. And what was beautiful was hearing the two come together and harmonizing. Actually, the entire audience was standing during Handel's Messiah, and I think that connects to the historic roots of Korean migration and the value and importance of faith in the life of Korean Americans. And then was the mixture of the Shenandoah song with Arirang. And it reminded me of the beautiful harmony that can come when you have these musical pieces coming together. For all you art and music teachers out there, you can see how powerful this is. This is voices of unity, music bringing people together, music bringing countries together even, and friendships being developed through curriculum, through music, through art. So dream big, because tonight I saw music bringing countries together.